the market as well. The German carry trade's getting sold as well. So you're getting the carry trade short in that type of environment at the same time as you're starting to see pension fund shorts. But because of the news of the steadying influence in the UK markets, then sterling still managing to hold on to a bid at the moment. So I think what's going to happen is that we're going to get that temporary upside, and then of course there's going to be a selling opportunity, Philip. So I think we're going to be looking at that short sell on sterling from the high prints, but it's just about where do we get the liquidity from. There has been a few attempts at liquidity this morning which have kind of failed to really generate much downside because of the coronation of the World Economic Forum's favorite boy. So you can see that there was a little sell opportunity in there. There was a little sell opportunity in there, and there may well be a little sell opportunity in there as well. But you can see that we're failing to get any of this lower sell-off at the present moment, aren't we? We're just failing to get that because the uncertainty has been removed. And because the uncertainty's been removed, it's just adding some buyers willing to come in and buy off the 70s. So still preferring the short sell. That's pretty obvious. Still definitely preferring to be on the short sell of this. But obviously with the dollar under a little bit of pressure because of that pivot from Friday, it's just added an awful lot of different driver influences to this market just now. So yeah, I am still preferring to work the sell side pivots at the moment. That seems to be the better opportunity from last night's cash open. You'll be able to recognize a couple of those RGL type trade ideas. You can see that the big RGL from yesterday, of course, running the London fix, would have put you into an RGL in this kind of area here. You can see that that was buy side only, but you can see that since then in the overnight session, you can see that we have basically just held below that sell side only narrative since then. But you can look at the speed of this move. Most of the up moves have been a little bit quicker than the down moves so far, and that's suggesting that the buying is not finished off the low prices. So I'm still thinking top edge sweeps, perhaps a 114 sell opportunity might not be off the cards once we run some stops up here. But certainly, if I'm going to do anything on sterling, I'm a seller. So at the moment, we just have to let the coronation take sterling a little bit higher, be cautious with it, and then start thinking about that idea of short selling. But remember, that's going to be based on an equity short as well. There's going to be a risk-off short sell as well. And that's something that we do need to pay attention to. We need to pay attention to the risk-off, because at the moment, you can see here from the equity markets, we are definitely in a risk-on environment just now. So we want to just tie that storyline in with equities selling, volatility buying. And we obviously need to just we just need to be patient, make sure we're getting the right trade at the right price, because it's very difficult to be short sterling against this rally in equities.